Our company was founded in 1998 and has 15 years of history. We're mainly involved in the development of health and environmental products, and hence we focus in the green energy area, such as solar energy and wind power. In addition, we also tap in the health sector. For instance, we've developed several new devices, such as the 10-second machine, the Kabozi, which creates microbubbles, as well as indoor cultivation of plants using LED lighting. Over the years, our products have constantly obtained the Innovation Award, and our main focus along the way is green energy and environmental protection. These two areas are also our future direction. I-Pot is a new product which is relatively frequently used. It's a plant-shaped light placed on a table or office desk. We have three colors: purple, yellow, and green. Our I-Pot is shaped like a ginkgo biloba leaf, which means the company, like the ginkgo tree, is sustainable in operation and survival. In addition to our own research and development, we also engage in industry-university cooperation and cross-industry alliances. Thus, we've been working with the Zhongshan Institute of Science and Technology of the Ministry of National Defense and ITRI to develop new products. Since Taiwan is an APO member, which is led by Japan to enhance productivity throughout Asia, I applied for APO consultant services to help with our indoor plant growth lights. In other words, the personal plant factory, or the I-Pot. The consultant was asked to provide guidance on reducing carbon emissions and overall waste to increase the product's competitiveness. We applied for APO counseling services, then had to be checked and verified due to the large number of applicants. We were lucky to pass. And then the organization invited Ban Kim, an expert in this area, to our company for a complete diagnosis. Ban Kim observed our entire production processes and paid visits to our suppliers to see how they could improve on their side. We followed his advice and used nearly 2 years to execute his ideas. This helped the company to grow, and we have learned a lot.
Under the direction of Mr. Bhatt, Cashido created a team to begin the green productivity approach. Now this team consisted of members from various departments in Cashido Corporation, executives from Cashido Corporation, and also representatives from the APO and the CPC. Now through this team, we could all bring something different to the table.
Based on initial interaction with the Cashido, we gave the name of the project called Green Innovation, Green Productivity and Green Marketing. So basically it's a 3G what we emphasize. We analyzed the issues faced by the Cashido. To begin with, first was the diverse product line. Second, we wanted to create the brand. Third, we wanted to create more awareness among the consumer. Fourth, we wanted to create the cost competitiveness. And fifth was to make it more popular by making some changes in the design and to follow all those principles.
Now in the process flowchart, we outline all the steps involved in making the product. From here, we can analyze what steps in the process itself are creating waste and material loss. Then the entire team will brainstorm to find different ways to reduce this loss. Throughout this entire process, we focus on the GP, green productivity underlying principles, including MFCA.
First, we started with the data collection of the company as well as of all the vendors. Out of that, then we did the comparative ABC analysis and we decided 7 critical components on which we need to concentrate to apply all green productivity techniques. what we realized that we need to make some change in the whole design of some of the components, which helped us to reduce the packaging cost. We did some changes in the design of some of other components, which helped us to reduce the wastage. We also analyzed that some of the wastage which is generated in the vendor's process can also be recycled. That way we could reduce our material consumption and consequently we could reduce the cost of the product.
自从有 APO 来辅导之后哈，我们的那个节省的成本哈达到了16.78%，减少了很多的原物料材料的浪费。就是说，包装材原先只是一个包装材，但是我们很可能从包装材里面就会变成一个花盆，甚至于它就直接把I-Pot插在上面。除了它有包装作用，但是呢，它可以再利用。
In order to promote the product under the green marketing, what we did is that we tried to list the product in various directories which are directly dealing and promoting green products. When a consumer is using, he gets wider information regarding day-to-day environmental issues of water or air or food, which ultimately creates a better awareness among the consumers for the sustainable development of the society. And this was a type of contribution by our product to the society towards sustainable, healthier lifestyle.
I would like to thank APO for giving us this opportunity to receive counseling. I would also like to thank CPC for its counseling and Bankim, our consultant. They helped us enhance our productivity significantly.
Through Bankim's many visits to Taiwan, he gave us many ideas on how we can not only reduce costs of the product and also go green. He also showed us different ways in which we can market the product, in that green productivity is something that we can use to improve our products and also to let customers know that we're doing our part to help the environment. Now when customers purchase this product and they use the product themselves, they can feel good about using the product. They can know how they can also have a contribution to the world.
I'm Eugene Lin, the APO Liaison Officer for the ROC. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues in APO, especially Mr. K.D. Bhardwaj and Cashido, and of course my colleagues in CPC. Special thanks is given to our overseas resource person, Mr. Banking, because without their hard working and dedication, this project would not be possible.
所有我们未来研发或者是我们的产品，都将跟继续在接受了这个 APO 的辅导朝向这个绿色环保、节能减碳。
I believe our growth is not limited. We will apply the lessons we've learned to our future products and share the knowledge with peers, as well as all of Taiwan's other industries. By doing this, Taiwanese companies will know how cost and environmental protection can coexist. When the yield rate increases, the whole costs are reduced. In the meantime, environmental protection is taken into consideration. This way, the end consumers will love your products.
APO, CPC, COE, good!